Okay,
All
Lauren's
right,
going
everybody
first.
calm down.
All right.
All right. I'm not going to make any commentary. That was
Don't.
Lawrence?
Please
Okay,
don't.
here's
Go
mine.
ahead. Ooh, you added a little flip of the
so-
tongue.
What I heard there is you took what Lauren did and just kind of added a little
Flavor.
flavor, some flair, some
And
pizzazz.
who gets
So?
the points?
I don't know. I don't know. This is.
You gotta
I
choose.
feel like you
choose.
stole.
Who did it
Point
better?
two.
I'm going Joey.
Ah, you
So
suck.
I'll go first for the next round then. So this is
Yeah.
sound effect number 2.
So then I hear yours first. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Sound effect number 2, slightly harder, I think. Imagine like a creepy movie.
Okay.
Like,
'Kay.
I don't know, villainous movie.
All right.
The opening of a squeaking cellar door.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Ooh.
All right. I got this. I got this.
All right. Wow, that was really good. That creeped me out.
Yeah,
Okay, all right.
I'll take what does a grandfather sound like passing gas for 100 points. What was that? I'll take a mouse, please.
I feel like I didn't get to
Fine,
finish.
fine.
You guys laughed
Okay,
at me.
Mulligan, redo it.
All right. Okay, I already know. Joey got that stupid point.
2 points for me.
You both
might be
stink.
Joey.
All right, sound effect number 3.
Number
Lauren
3.
goes first.
Okay.
All right. Air brakes. You're in the city. A public transit bus has just stopped right in front of you. You're on the sidewalk.
Oh,
so
no.
the air brakes of a city
Yeah,
bus.
yeah, yeah.
This is
I know what you're
tough.
talking about.
Ian, this is tough.
Okay.
That sounded like a spaceship.
It's,
All
It's
right.
the air brakes.
could be.
Now I'm from a tiny town where we didn't even
Right.
have public
They don't even have
transportation.
brakes on their cars.
Yeah, we had tractors for our transportation.
All right, go ahead.
All right. Lauren gets that one. That's an easy call.
Sound effect number 4.
Okay, number 4. Blending a smoothie.
Oh, Lauren used to work at Jamba
Yo.
Juice. This should be right up your
Yo,
alley. Now I
okay.
got to go first on this one.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. All right. By the way, I'm using the pulse function on my blender. By the way.
Okay, very good.
It's risky.
Pulse function.
Okay.
Sounds like a dying weed whacker.
No.
All right.
That's all I got.
Ah.
Lauren's gonna win.
Okay, a blender.
That's clearly
yeah.
a sander. Is that the
I
blender?
don't know. It's more of a blender than
I
yours,
mean,
whatever yours was.
that was
Lauren
a
gets the
smooth
point. Okay.
smoothie. There
Tie.
were no chunks
This is
in
a
that
tie.
And
smoothie.
it's like we wrote this 2-2 going into the final
it is.
sound
Oh,
effect.
no.
Okay, so something happened this morning. I get in my car.
Okay.
And I'm trying to defrost it, and I turn on the rear defroster, I turn on the front defroster, I'm doing all these different things, and finally my car gives up, and I've got the squealing belt. You know what I mean?
Squealing.
Yeah, I've heard
Yeah,
this.
so
Lauren
the
has to
loose-
go first,
Yes.
though.
I can't
Yes,
make
I
the
know what you're
sound
talking
effect.
about.
Well, no,
I
you
know what
can't.
you're talking about.
Don't make the sound.
Okay.
Don't make
Don't
the
do it.
sound.
Don't
So
do
the
it.
belt is loose on the car,
Yeah.
and it's squealing. It's waking up all my neighbors.
Oh, that's
At least
perfect.
that's what I think is
You're
happening.
You're an amazing.
All right,
neighbor.
all right.
So that's the sound.
Okay, Lauren. The pressure's on. If I get the no. I'm trying to picture it.
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah, we're going to Joey.
Oh, come
3-2. 3-2,
There it
Joey.